Der Präsident!
Meine sehr geehrten Damen und Herren, die Sitzung wird hiermit wieder aufgenommen. Bevor wir zum nächsten
discussions I've had with some of you in the course of the last 2 days here. Democratically elected governments, even the most successful of them, which have enjoyed 3 election victories and have half the population's support, they still need to take account of the needs and expectations of those who don't feel represented. And peaceful demonstrations are a legitimate way for such groups to express their views. I've also been surprised by the initially sparse domestic media coverage given to the demonstrations in Turkey.